the Upper Live Show. Each and every Wednesday we go live right here on Flames Radio. And we're just here plugging more Live 2018. And we have a very special guest who is on set and he will be performing on More Live 2018. And he's here to discuss that along with more things as well. Black Kush, welcome to the Upper Live Show, sir.
Blessed love, brother. Blessed love, brother. I'm there,
You know, it's not the first time.
You don't know. Give thanks for having me here. You know, you see me? I always give thanks.
Which is right.
I really appreciate the strength here. You see it?
What's been good since the last time we spoke?
Why, a whole heap of thing I go on, you know. Whole heap of thing I go on. You see it? It's like, I have an EP out, a promotional EP.
Yeah.
Called Foundation. You see me? You can download it on SoundCloud. You see me, I say, I don't know, the SoundCloud is Black Kush 1. You see what me I say? You can download it for free. You see me, I say, you don't know, I show no support and give the strength. You see it? And whole heap of new thing out on iTunes,
Yep.
SoundCloud, basically all the download programs, you see no?
It's all out there.
Yeah, so whole heap of local work, man, doing. And if you want me just go in night and done, me have Tyrus Riley show coming up. You see what I say with Baby Sham, same way.
It's the More Life.
More Life thing, you see what I say.
And you're going to be on the Manchester, like you said, right?
Yeah, I'm going to be on the Manchester one.
That's this Friday?
This Friday coming, you see what I say.
So for persons that's watching this right now and probably never heard anything about Black Kush, what can somebody expect to hear from you if they're going to buy a ticket to come and say, oh, Black Kush is going to be there? What's the performance going to be like?
Well, the performance going to be excellent, you know, because you don't know, a growth and growing is like, right about now, Black Kush, they're on the peak of the thing right now, you see me? And right now, if you give a little freestyle, watch out.
Yes, early out.
My girl, you are good as lady. Okay, you know if you all your man, and you are good as lady. Watch it, say you know if you position. Hey, you now watch no me, another thing. Test we a test our road. Watch it, neck we test our road.
Are they bad
one pants, one shoes, you one man, girl. If you know real, we want to find out. So we play like we. You see me? What
See? So that is going to be absolutely crazy. So make Dragon. We should have done this Manchester thing with him as well.
Yeah.
Look at we have to take the motorway.
Yeah, motorway settings like shoes pantar, you know. After we go uptown, yeah.
With Johnny, with movie star.
With movie star Johnny, then you know a motorway. Yes. Manchester quick and fast, you know, German whip. Less than 3.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, movie star Johnny. More life, you see me?
We know you are predominantly a reggae artist. Would you consider yourself a reggae artist only, or is it a reggae dancehall?
Well, I tell them I'm full of it, you know, I'm stylish, you know, I do reggae, I do dancehall, I do a bit of R&B. You see what I say? I even do a bit of funky, you see me?
Yeah,
man.
Which one you rather?
I prefer the reggae, you know, because I love to sing, you know. I love to inner the thing, like, I prefer the reggae still.
So in terms of you making new music, are you looking to cross in any other genres at the moment?
Genres. Right now, in a fire, I'm tell you shoot. And you see, once music is good, and me hear a good, if I mean by genre, like, when me hear the rhythm, and the rhythm pull a song out of me, I'm going to let it go. You see what I say? So it's all up to do with the rhythm, and with the rhythm pull for eye. Because I love when rhythm talk to me, you know.
Which is right.
You see what I say? So if me hear a rhythm and the rhythm talk to me, I'm going to talk back to you.
Yeah, because your voice is very powerful.
Yeah, man.
As we can just see that little early cameo just now, you add speakers like peaking, like you have to be like, whoa, turn it up.
Yeah, because like me knowing Black Kush, I know you have that big presence on stage because a lot of people never know about Black Kush. But the first time I see you perform, I see you really command that crowd. I see you really take control.
Definitely.
So I think you are one of the young artists who have one of the greatest stage presence out there right now. What give you that energy when you step out on the stage?
Wow, you know, said, all right, the energy I get from when me step out on stage is like, me just pre the music and pre the people them. They say, you know what, all right, the people them want good music and the people them, me now go, they go give them my energy. Them now go feel when me a spit off on the fire phone.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So me have to give them the energy to make them feel. And before when they say, them time when they see me on stage, I learn, I grew up, you know.
Yeah.
And right now, I'm there a distance of far away.
Boy, if I learning that, I don't want to see the craft now.
Yeah, man. You don't know me
Yeah,
there,
no.
you know. I just say a rehearsal, see him wearing, because I'm looking studio equipment, so I always try for bill. And if I go up on a stage show, I say, you know, I watch but I look at performance, I say, all right then.
You got to shake
That
it
no
yourself.
good, that no good. All right, that no good, that's all. I fix up.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
So it's a learning process.
Because like
right now, bigger,
I see you perform like 4 times and I really see like a big growth. I see you're not shy.
Definitely.
And me as a DJ, like I always learn to play the music. If you're playing for 2 people, be at your best. And I come to the first venue I come to see you perform. It was not a lot of people, but I still see you go out and I still see you pull off a big performance
Yep.
and get everybody together.
Yes,
So you
sir.
really look like you was performing for a big audience.
Definitely. You see, Dada, give thanks, bless up Sizzla anyway in there. Dada say, if I need even 1 people
Yeah.
in the crowd,
Make sure that you come
make
on in
sure
that.
you come on. You see what I say? And music is a thing, music is life, you know, Papa. So, if 1 people did it, I go perform for that 1 person. You see what I say? So, I just say a thing there.
How's the angle of you surviving into UK, doing only reggae, mostly reggae? I shouldn't say only, because you say you do other genres as well.
Yeah, the
But
one
reggae is the
dance
most
also.
important genre.
Yeah.
You find it difficult here? You find that they're accepting your music as how you want it to, or you're not getting the love that you needed?
All right. Me not get the amount, but me I take time, cause like the eye, so me have to give thanks. I
Yeah.
have 1 and 2 people where, so it a take time, cause me can't be ungrateful. You see what I say?
Yeah.
I have to give thanks for work forward, but it's hard in a look up cause England really, you have to go Europe and Jamaica and from the root of it. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Push it in a Europe and things. You see what I say? So England I take time, I build up cause whole heap of artists are bust from England now.
Yeah, we really accept that little point, but come on to the producing aspect of it. Do the UK producers are really inviting you to like sing a song on their beat, or it's a bit hostile?
No, I hardly get that. I hardly get that. It's like Smooth, big up Smooth. You see what I say? Big up, where's with it? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. But right now, we have me build my own thing, you know. Cause I see where you say now, I get whole heap of fight.
Yeah.
I'll show you answer. I get whole heap of fight in our music thing. So what I do now, I build my own studio.
You
I
just-
learn to build rhythm. You see what I say?
Well, it shouldn't be like that.
So
you know.
right now, you see the Open Light Show, we are all about homegrown talent. We all are from Jamaica, but we are
Yeah.
living in the UK right now.
This is
So we
our
support who is in the UK in the dancehall scene with us in the dancehall fraternity. If we can hold out an olive branch to help a man step up that ladder,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
do it. And I hope every producer listen to the show or watch the video at some point down in the future
Definitely.
and try help out this young act that's coming up in the game,
Definitely.
because it's very important.
Give thanks.
Because a lot of these big studios and big name labels over here, we have affiliation with the reggae fraternity. They choose to voice the big artists them from
Yeah.
Jamaica
They
and
always
rhythm,
go back to
and
Jamaica.
skip out the UK acts that
In
upcoming
front.
and rising,
Yes,
which I think that's a bit shady, to be honest.
Yes, I. And then the same thing with the stage show them as well. Because it's like, Mr. Certain stage shows like, them just feature certain artists where certain artists will have a name. Even if in a UK, them a feature artists will have a hype or a name. So, me have a song where I say, if nobody now pre-year, is nobody, you know.
Yeah.
And the song is all about them things. There's like, if nobody now chat you or pre-year, it's come like,
But it's the day and age that we're in now. People like social commentary. So if there's nothing to socialize and talk about, people lose interest quickly.
Yes, I
So
understand.
this is where we're gonna find this gap now, where we can tap into a market where we can bridge the gap
Yeah.
between just not just being a social and commentary artist,
Yeah.
more like being an artist of substance, where people is gonna find your music regardless if you're a hot topic or not.
True.
Like even say Popcorn is doing songs now where it doesn't matter what's trending, what's happening, his songs are gonna play
Definitely.
because people can relate to them.
Definitely.
No, and I think he's at a stage where he's has overcome that social commentary
Definitely,
thing now.
definitely.
So-
And so a quick question: this song Tessa wrote, where you get that lyrics from? Is a girl you test out for you one time and then you never really go back, make you come up with that lyrics? Like, where that one forward from?
And you know, say, only for people believe, say, is a song we do with, like, say, Dagger in Parade,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. But it's not about that, you know. It's about you finding a princess got you struggles with you, and grew a process with you, and you and that person get old, a good princess. So basically, you meet a princess and you start spend money on her, and like a couple months down the line, like money run out, so you lose all your job where you used to have.
Well, boy, you look like I misinterpret that song wrong then.
Yeah, man. Well, if people you don't want people come to me ask me that.
Yeah.
Because I say, boy,
it's like, me I should explain.
The naughty bad. Test him and test out everybody, so.
As you don't know, you meet a princess and you spend money and you take care, deal with everything. And right now, the bills kind of tip up and thing, and you lose all your job. But she still at work. But you're not bringing in the money. You're not push where you usually do.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So, she does say, you know what? Go on with your business.
Yeah, because like, to do this music game, to be honest, you have to have a real woman in your court, in your side, because like, we all understand like financial stress will come with this music thing, because like, it's a risk. Any business you do is a risk. It's a risk of not working to focus on your music.
True.
And you know it's going to be slow. It's going to be a rocky road as well. Them say.
Boy, I know, say, where me love music still, me not the way I pre-says a risk still. Me just do it because I love it. If I make money, I watch the way for it. Me not the way I me just do it, Papa. Because I just love it. Because I love music differently, you know.
I love it too bad.
Yeah,
That's Dragon talking.
So I just, they say thing there, you know. But that's all right, it's a good song, and that's the topic. I saw me really create a song that's still, you know.
What's next?
Really, next July, the 6th of July till the 8th, we have a reggae festival in Luton, Liverpool. Sorry, give thanks. You see me? So that as well, and Rastrama, you don't know, big up yourself, Rastrama, more life and abundantly, you see it.
Big up to Rastrama.
Rastrama album launch. That are the 22nd
of this month, yeah?
You see what I say? Next month.
Okay.
You see me, some of the on that as well.
So we'll be looking forward to see you these future performances, and anytime you have anything more updates, you can always call us, or you can always...
And one more thing, and I'm encourage every artist that been on the Open Live show are going to be featured in the Open Live show. I beg you, send me on the best 1 or 2 single. I'm going to compile a little CD and make a mix with all of the artists them on it. So I beg you, send me on the best 2 tracks, singles, or under juggling or whatever. Yeah. We're going to do a little CD with all of them, a bad mix CD, and we'll do the full PR thing, you know, the business back at it, and we'll get it out on the street. Because we're all about letting artists through the gate. You know, this song is all about homegrown talent. This sure. That's what we are.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Give thanks to see it.
That's right. So we've come to the time you know, where everybody know exactly what happens this time on the Open Live show. And this style, we have the baddest Rasta in the building. The coach is here. The black coach is here. Dragon, you ready? Explain to you what's going on. Explain.
So you know I go out there, go, you know. That's what the rhythm the Rasta.
Alright then. Your man, just leave all your man, you're not living in a luno. Hey girl, me I tell you the tune on your army style, you know, pull it up. Hey yo, what you know? Freestyle on the gas boy. Give me the herbs, burn it on the corner. English girl, she just play some in the sauna. You think I put out the smoke, it on the black. In my mouth, I put on stackers. That's what they can make, you know that that's what we are talking about the great. Meditation, miss a memory when stack burning, burning. High grade and burning, burning, yeah. High grade and burning, burning. Open your ears and listen, yes, yes. High grade and burning, burning. High grade and burning, burning. High grade. Another bleeding now. Can we go so then? Life warriors, never scared, never fail, no day. Life warriors, and the life journey, boom. Life warriors, never scared, never fail, no way. Life warriors. Another thing, no. Watch it now, no. See that? Kill them now, bury them now. No doubt that. Watch it, watch it. See that? Kill them now, bury them now. No doubt that now go from no door. Everybody don't chat overload. Bring them far and that's them over. I pull look a girl me up and if a boy find it when we kill them slow. Them can't go round, they get a justice. And they get a youth, alright. Bring them thing that we. Yeah, yeah, baby.
Some of the older forward, yo. Yo, that's not very rhythm that we vibe. Everybody there, the survive. Black Kush there, we are vibe. Up alive, what? We are vibe. Make we DJ, we are vibes. Funny radio, we are vibes. Fire Q there, what a vibes. The whole team there, we say everybody vibes.
Yo, collaboration.
It's a.
Give
thanks.
How about that? I can do something on that quick.
Alright, go on now.
Alright then, see ya. Alright. Alright, yeah. Sun come out, alright. And the girl them come out, yeah. Black, white, Chinese, see it. So the Indian come out. Sun come out. So let us spark it. Stop. Because we are the
Hey, good evening to everybody that's lucky. This is the Upper Live Show. Thank you very much for joining us.
Give thanks.
Upper Live Freestyle right here, Black Kush. Go hard. Remember, people, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. You know the things. Or we can find you and find your music online.
Definitely, when you go on YouTube and type in Black Kush. I want to type in Black Kush space SMG. You see me I say SoundCloud, Black Kush 1, Twitter, Black Kush 111, Instagram, Black Kush _ SMG, Facebook, Black Kush. I want to type in Jason McNeish. You see me? Facebook, and I don't know the thing set. I want to check out Step Out _music _group as well, and I don't know the thing set. Give thanks, you know.
Simple. Manners. They had it. Black Kush was live here on the Upper Live Show. Remember, you can join us here each and every Wednesday live on Flames. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Juggernaut Star, Liquor Brown Rasta, World Mag Entertainment, this is the Upper Live Show. Remember, like, subscribe, and share the videos. Keep it locked. This is Flames Radio.
Yes, sir.